Welcome to the future of legal practice with AI. Intelligent assistant designed to simplify, accelerate, and enhance your legal workflow. Whether you're a lawyer or a judge or a legal researcher, this powerful platform is here to transform the way you navigate and apply the law. In this demo, I'll be guiding you through some of our most innovative features. The first one is search. So we're going to be looking at how to search. So the first way to search is by typing in a keyword, e.g. conspiracy, alibi, or wrongful admission. So whatever keyword you want to search for, you can just interact. So the first thing you're going to see is authorities on breach of contracts that are relevant. Then another way you can also search for cases on this application is by typing in your brief. So a brief is just simply explains the current matter you're handling in court. So whether you're a lawyer or whether you're a judge, you can just simply state the current matter you're handling or deciding and the subject in dispute and the arguments or claims of any of the parties. And once you just do that, you just click on the smart suggestions button, right? This is this place where you can select your brief. So these are all the briefs that I have handled on my account. You can save as many cases as possible. So here I'm just going to type in a simple brief that says I'm deciding a land dispute between two parties on the sale of a family land without the consent of the head of the family. So this is my brief, and here there are no search keywords. I'm not typing anything to search. So what you just do now is click on the smart suggestions, and really you click on smart suggestions, you're going to see you're going to get instant suggestions on areas of law that we should be searching for. So if I click, so you see family land, you see sale, you see consent, you see equity, you see adverse possession. So here I'm just going to click on family land, and you see cases on family land. Then if you want to also click on head of the family as well, you want to see cases that talk about the reference family land and head of the family as well. Immediately you click that, you see it, head of the family, you see what it matched head of the family, matched family land. So you're going to get cases that cut across all these areas. So now if I simply click on analytics, I can see how this authority that I just selected applies to the current matter that I am deciding or the current matter that I'm handling for my clients. So in a couple of seconds now, we're going to see here how it applies. So here you see the application, this is the authority, this is the holdings. For any alienation, whether by sale or grant or whatever, there must be a concurrence of the head of the family and its principal members or majority of their number. So if you're arguing that the sale of your family land in this case was invalid, you can use the holdings of this court to support your argument. You can argue that the sale was invalid because it was not authorized by the head of the family and principal members. So this is just an example of how this particular thing works. Then for lawyers who want to get instant written address, you can just click issues, and it's going to draft an instant written address for you based on your selections. So here in a couple of seconds now, we're going to get our instant written address complete with issues. So whether the sale, we didn't put a claimant's name in our brief, so it doesn't know the name of the parties that we are representing, so or the kind of case we are deciding. We just stated the issues. Whether the sale of the family land by the defendant without the consent is valid, whether the claimant as a member has a right to challenge the suit. So it explains, it cites all these authorities that were mentioned here. Gets authority. Then as a judge, you can also get the key judicial reasoning for any authority you select and get real-time analysis into how that particular authority applies to the current matter you are deciding. Analysis, let me click on judicial reasoning. And the court held the rules of the family head and principal members of the family over the family property are limited to that of trustees. For any alienation or family land, there must be a concurrence of the head of family and principal members or majority of their number. So, and you now get the key judicial reasoning. Family land is jointly owned by all the members of the kindred. Family heads and principal members exercise supervisory and managerial roles over the land, but only on behalf of the members and in line with their mandate. Requirements of concurrence for alienation of family land ensures that the interests of all the members are protected. So here, you can now see that the legal reasoning, the legal principles in this case can assist the judge in resolving the issues before the court, establishing that the family land in dispute is jointly owned by the members of the family, requiring the judge to determine whether the sale of land was authorized by the family, by the head of the family and its principal members or majority of their number, guiding the judge to consider all the interests of the family members in the decision. So this is what key judicial reasoning offers. It gives you added insights into the authority you selected. So this can be for any case at all. This can be for any legal principle at all. We just barely scratch the surface of what AI Counsel can do.